guys.
Hi.
So we are here on the big island of Hawaii.
Hawaii.
Yes.
I just learned that today.
That's true. This is probably one of our favorite islands because it is one of the cheapest places to stay. Our Airbnb is amazing and cheap.
Always.
Car rentals here are super cheap. And it's the big island because it's huge. There's tons of stuff to do. There's many mountains, tons of hiking trails, endless beachfront. If you're looking for a Hawaiian destination as your first destination, I think we would both recommend the Big Island first. Yeah, not really.
Well, the beaches have rocks, a lot of rocks in them. So, yeah, if your main goal is to swim, maybe this is not the best island.
True.
But if you want just a quick, cheap trip to Hawaii, then this is definitely it.
For sure. And it's sparsely populated, so you don't really run into people a lot. Like we're here in an Airbnb that's on an old, it's like a lava field, dried lava, and there's nobody here but us and our couple neighbors.
Yeah, it's technically a private room too. It's not an entire house, but we're still by ourselves.
Yeah.
Like we have our own little space with its own bathroom and
our own balcony out here that we're sitting on now. So
perfect.
Yeah, we definitely recommend Kona. It's a great first timer before you start jumping to the other islands. And it's easy to get to.
And you always find turtles.
Yes.
Always.
There are turtles.
Surprisingly.
Yeah, you should be able to see some in this video as well.
Yeah.
Another quick tip for even hiking in Hawaii, always be prepared for any weather.
Like rain or heat. Or,
no snow though, no snow.
Yeah, good thing there's no snow. But it literally rains like in 2 minutes, just like that.
And then it'll be sunny 3 minutes later.
Yeah.
So yeah, we started this hike, it's nice and dry, and now it's raining as we're
Now
walking
it's
back.
all wet.